Hey guys, Andy here from Mediocre Hobbies coming at you with a intentions video, reporting intentions video, plans for Orktober video, I don't know. So I guess plans for Orktober is pretty much a good title for this video, I think. So I'm taking Orktober a little bit more serious than I did last year. Last year I did just paint up a cool model. This year I'm going to do something a little different. Obviously you guys know that I'm starting to launch into season 2 of my battle report series. We've only had one game out so far, but after I get a certain thing out of the way, then I'll be able to move on and hopefully deliver a battle report every 2 weeks for you guys. And the need for new armies to be fielded in season 2 of the battle report means that I have to get more armies painted. So I'm going to use the excuse of Orktober to get one of the new generic orc armies up and running. So my goal for the month of October, or Orktober as we're going to be referring to it as across this thing, is to do a vlog series where I show you guys the process I'm going to take to getting 1,000 points of orcs fully built and fully painted, plus an entire gaming table of orc scenery, as you can see by all the orc scenery on this is scenery, it's models. So yeah, I want to have a whole 44 by 60 or 6 by 4 table of orc scenery. I've got a couple of the Kills on October sets, basically 3 in total, which will make 3 nice sets of scenery, plus the big orc head, plus the next workshop. And I don't think that's going to be enough. I definitely think I'm going to use my 3D printer to add a couple more pieces to that to really flesh it out, some scrap piles maybe, or some rickety old walls, or bits and pieces like that I think will really suit. It will not just be Games Workshop stuff that I will be focusing on for the Orktober period. I'm already in partnership with Cromlech. They're going to deliver a few bits and pieces with me, so I'm going to be working on them. So yeah, all in all, I'm very excited for the prospect of Orktober. I hope you guys will get involved as well, join in, think about any orc project that you've ever thought about, whether it's painting a single miniature, or whether you want to paint a little force, combat patrol, or army box, or whatever. Whatever floats your boat, or whatever gets you excited about orcs, then do it. It doesn't have to be 40k orcs, Age of Sigmar orcs, Lord of the Rings orcs, any orcs you like. Just feel free to get involved. It's a really cool community-driven event that kind of just happens every year. There's no person organizing it, but the whole community comes together and really celebrates orcs. And I think orcs are definitely a force that need to be celebrated. So I have not got a clue as to what my 1,000 points of orcs would look like. So please feel free to message down below with your favorite orc units, what you would like to see played with in this campaign, what models you would like to see me build and paint. As you can see, I've already got a wide variety of model kits, whether it's all the new buggies and kind of rocket boosted jet thingies and all that jazz, or whether it's loads of boys, or whether it's battle wagons or trucks or mega knobs, or just let me know. I'd be more than happy to take some suggestions on board and get those painted up and added to my force. Well, I hope you guys enjoy. Like I said, my plan is to do about 2 videos a week based on Orktober. There'll be more vlog style videos, like I did for my Leviathan week and my Indominus week, if you guys seen any of those. So it'll be a little bit more relaxed, but it'll be more about me getting a lot done as opposed to showing you guys how to do it. So yeah, hope you guys are going to be interested in that. You're going to follow along and have a great Orktober. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next few videos.